Good morning to the international community. Nida Call is here, President of the Belize National Teachers Union. All right.
We're making people in. Oh, you're the call.
That's a put out the call.
All right.
You put out the call, you know?
Yeah.
Recognition.
Yeah. Why? The song is clear.
Recognition is important for today.
Yeah.
You know, when you enter the classroom, you bid the time of the day, and after that you do the roll call.
Correct.
Then business begins.
Correct.
So that's
Right.
it's a routine for today.
Correct.
Even before I explain to the viewing audience what we're doing, I need to give thanks to God, the Father, Holy Spirit, and our ancestors for every single thing that we're about to engage in today, every single thing we've achieved so far. Giving thanks is truly, truly important. So I want to start off by saying thanks to all of you who have believed in the BNTU, who have supported the BNTU. We give thanks to you as well. We cannot do what we are doing or what we have done without the support of the membership and the community. And let me say communities, because both locally and internationally, we are supported. Today, till about 2:33, we'll be here selling tickets. We're doing our live selling tickets for the BNTU House and Land Raffle. No gimmick here. This is for real. For real, I'm telling you, for real. Nowhere can you get a house and lot. Title 2 for 30 Belize dollars. 15 US a ticket, sorry. $150 for a book US. 300 Belize for a book. Now, let me say this. If you buy an entire book, you get the opportunity to enter a raffle for an overnight stay at Hopkins Bay. You can't miss that. And you have breakfast included as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am looking forward to your support. Of course, we're selling single tickets.
Yeah, all right.
We're selling our single tickets.
And you live too far from a mic then.
Oh, I live too far from a mic, man.
You get tired. You get tired.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, straight live, ladies and gentlemen. Why? All right. And again, we're live on Hot Off the Press as well. Thank you very much for your support this morning. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a wonderful occasion. Look, this data. I always look at the screen. 2-bedroom, fully wired and plumbed house and lot raffle. $30. Man, that's what the house will look. Because when I want to quiet and talk about the house will look a certain kind of way. That's what the house will look, Miss Data.
What
we're getting the color of the house or something.
We don't be into the green, so we put forward a greenhouse. But what we're doing is that we're getting one of the Mennonite metal houses, a greenhouse, of course.
You come and sit down.
Yes, a greenhouse, of course. And 2-bedroom has its cabinet for the kitchen. We have the bathroom. It's all you need to do after this, if you are the lucky winner, is to move in. Contact WASA, contact BL, connect your light and water, and move in. Move in. Yeah. You can't beat that. There is no way you can beat this deal today.
This is a special this morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have to do this. I know a lot of another house now being to they say, okay, including teachers, another house, we will start rent at least when they get this house. It's a beautiful structure, right? 20 by 24. You know, a lot of veranda size, 5 by 16. So you hang out and you can watch everything you pass, you can watch the birds, you can watch animals in this house. Everything you got 75 by 100 foot. It's a big lot.
But there's something I'm missing, Maurice.
All right,
a lot of our customers are telling us, hey, President, we don't want that house on the lot that you're selling in Cotton Tree. I have a lot, and I want the house on my lot. How will you facilitate me? So the BNT has decided not to put the house on the lot. So whosoever that lucky winner is, the house will go on the lot that you want, but you are still going to get the lot that was originally designed to go with this house. So we're throwing another twist for you. So there's absolutely no reason for you to say, I don't want to live in the Cotton Tree. You have a lot, the house will come to you. And that lot will still belong to you. Wow. And Cotton Tree is like Ladyville to Belize City. Very short distance. There's some nice houses in that area.
So you will get a lot of things you do a lot.
Lot
Okay.
of things.
You will sell a lot too if you
It's
want to
yours
sell
once
it,
you're the winner.
right? But the house, if you got a lot somewhere else, BNT say I carry it there. Or wherever a lot you got. That makes sense because not everybody want to live in the cotton tree. Where did that cotton tree?
Country is lovely. Like I tell you that. It's not far from Belmopan.
What
And
about Josh Price? How we
yes, it's not far from Belmopan.
in the middle
You
of
catch a
everything.
little bosita for $152 and you're in Belmopan.
Okay. Wow.
So
So I get and this how much your ticket? How much your ticket now?
$30 for a ticket, $300 Belize for a book, 150 US for that book.
Wow.
And I must thank the Belizeans in the diaspora because a number of them have been buying the entire book.
Huh.
Yes, 150 support. Remember, this is not just about winning a house and lot. This is about supporting educators. Because the funds will go towards, we have summer workshops coming right now. We have institutional training that we need to do for teachers. We must do that. And from time to time, when teachers are in need, we give them that support. And the resources like this, meaning coming off the raffle, allows the BMQ to carry out our plan activities. So we definitely appreciate that. And underneath this, we like to say support and win. It's not just winning the raffle. You're a winner because you have supported an educator. You support an educator, you support the nation. You know that, Morris?
Well, I mean that's how it goes. That's how it's
Yeah.
set up. You know, that's how the wheels keep turning with these supports. That always these support. That the government, you know how the government rests. Right? Sometimes support, sometimes no support. So we need to learn to help ourselves, and this is a very, very um, good channel because you win something and you support the cause at the same time. Right? All we can win the hope, but we're happy for somebody to win this house because again, it's a very good initiative to raise funds. And $30,
Can't beat that.
$30 I just to enter Taifa birthday bash. Right? I just to enter the bash. All right, and this is going to be lit. All right, and while we're doing this in some intermission, we're going to be giving away some tickets, but it's going to be for Vida birthday bash.
Yeah.
I will give away a ticket. We'll give away a ticket, right? But we're focused on the BNTU. Just to make them feel good. See that? Make them feel good. I have it right here. So make we boost up this thing. But I got a free birthday pass. I'm gonna buy one 4 5 and they book out right now. To enter the Island Bar and Breeze right now. See that guy taking in my hand right now.
And I sure Vida soon come and donate another one. If you favorite teacher
well,
right there.
Well,
And a favorite union, because every time we gather, it's, oh, President, we need Vida. And you know that's true elsewhere. He shows up.
Yeah, the man tell me.
He shows up. He shows up.
The man tell me.
He never disappoints.
This weekend is Vida birthday bash. Next weekend is yours truly birthday bash. 50th birthday, half a century. Same place. Big artist. But BNTU, look, I can share this. You don't share the live, with Miss Carlos?
Done. I already did that. I did that on the BNQ National Facebook page.
I'll share it again.
Yeah. The branches will be sharing it on their local pages as well. I just want to tell Belizeans, if you're in the districts, you can definitely find the BNQ members. They're out and about and have been out and about from 8:30 this morning. Corozal Rural, they're at Central Park in Corozal Town. Corozal Town branch, they're at Checktamal Park, so you can find them there. You know, in Joak, they're in front of the Town Hall. San Ignacio, Market Square, bus terminal area. We're talking about Belmopan. They're also at the Market Square, the gazebo there in Belmopan, bus terminal area as well. Benke, Centennial Park. In Punta Gorda, you can find them at the Central Park or by Nails by Donna in Indianville. So we're all over the country right now. We're all over because it's important that we get. In fact, a branch just before you and I started conversing, one of my branches said, President, 2 books to go and we are through for the day. We're going to complete all that we have. 2 books to go. So I must not, that's why I had to start off with the thank you. I'm very happy that, we're getting that support. We're getting that support. So how we're saying, this is how it goes. You send to the Heritage Bank account that you see before the screen. And just to make certain you have it right, It's 1080719. After you deposit it there, and it's in the name of the Belize National Teachers Union, what you do is that you screenshot your deposit, send that to 613-4811, and then we write up your ticket or tickets, take a picture of everything that you acquired from us, and then we send it back to you via WhatsApp. And when you get your messenger, you can contact me via the same number or go to the Belize City head office and we get that to you. But one thing for certain, we're not going to get rid of your book. That's yours. It will enter the barrel. And if you're the lucky winner, hey, we'll be so happy. I want to say hello to my friend Andrea Lopez, my assistant behind the screen. She's getting ready to do the writing up.
She just ready for escape. But she need a call her back. I'm in the radio here.
I don't read so much.
Don't ready for escape. The other said, no, we gotta sell these tickets. We gotta sell these tickets, be into 2-bedroom. And then you go home and relax.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't buy my book why?
One book you buy,
Yes.
yeah, but only one book you take to through, you know. One book you take.
You know, you never could tell that when the Holy Spirit say you are winning, you are winning.
Well, you know, if the Holy Spirit involves you, always a winner. Everybody's a winner.
I
Who
know
you
we are a
choose.
winner, but this our real
Yeah,
winner. I have
this-
to get here. I know gamble, but
Wait.
I have to get this one.
Well,
Hey, and if you're in Dangriga, we're right here at Daifa. You can pull up and get your tickets.
You don't buy your ticket, Diver?
I got house.
You got house? You know
Yeah.
what that?
I got house.
Consider it an investment.
I got house too.
Investment.
Well,
You can rent it.
Give it Haba. Give it Haba.
You can rent it.
Give it Haba out again. Mama said the ban the morning.
You could turn over money, but even if you got
Well,
a house, you could, if you win, you could sell it and then that come to work. You get
all right.
bigger means you,
All right.
you think.
Here what it one is, I'm telling you. One of those call in, right? We'll make a deposit and get on the ticket. 613-4811. Simple as that. They will stop complaining. Yeah, what I think about. They will stop locking out on the house.
Yeah, hold on.
Right? You know, I can't complain. They will stop locking out for those who get locked out the house all the time when they tell them they're going to curfew by 12 o'clock.
You got your
Or
own
you got your own
One
house.
house, yes.
Right? So no make no man tell you no, you could be at a certain time. You got one key. And if you make a borrow a key, you could take it back or change your lock and house of you. Right? In this case. But I must say, gentlemen, we have to step up. You know, it's a Father's Day weekend. We don't hear nothing. No. But here when they go on, Mother's Day, so they want house, no, they want to buy raffle, no, but still go ahead, buy the raffle, buy the raffle. When a Mother's Day, woohoo, they call and say, ma and pa. When a Father's Day, they call and say, ma and pa. Don't worry about it. Just
No.
buy the ticket for them. Buy a B&Q ticket and say, ha, hey, buy a ha, hey, baton.
You know,
Hey, baton, harbor.
every Father's Day, I find I'm not really a social media type of person like that, right? I like things to be private. But every now and then I will find some of my single mothers claiming to be fathers and wishing themselves happy Father's Day. I come from a single mother. And there is one important thing I like to say. We cannot assume the role of a male. We can assume some of their responsibilities, but we cannot assume their roles. And some people might not understand where I'm coming from when I say that. Listen, I've been teaching for 33 years. And I'll tell you this. When I meet these students, they will tell you, my dad is not wrong, or they'll give you the whole story. But they want a relationship with their dad. 98% of these students want a relationship with their dad. Even though mom is doing all that she can possibly do, they want that relationship with their dad. And that's why I'm saying we can't replace the males. We can only take up some of their responsibilities. That's it.
Now, once you want to stop the cycle of that missing person, then the males have to step up because
That's an issue.
that's a missing. In that case, that the men are missing in action. They are on John Smith Road in Belize City, missing. right? And you know, there's a lot of men missing these days. They still don't find, not a man they don't find.
Mercy,
But the
son.
intentional missing, we have to stop that. We're gonna limit it. You gotta co-parent. There's a thing called co-parenting when two parents come up. Even if another woman, the child needs you. You know, sometimes just to feel a sense of security, make you feel like, yeah, I will call somebody when I need them, just to talk, just to see what
Yeah.
they want. And that's how you kind of keep them in, they keep them sane because then you keep their balance,
Yeah.
keep their mind balanced, right? So you have to be there. So then we have to understand that after a while you need you make them, right? So you create someone that's in the community, that same person, you know, that needs that little slightly emotional support. Because it's all about emotional support that is. Right? So again, even more emotional support. Imagine if you buy a ticket right now and one of you win. I don't take it back for if you buy it, that's for them. Right? If you buy it, that's for them. After right, big up yourself, man. Bless afternoon to all life. I salute you, bro.
Yeah.
And your bang, thank you very much. That's the freedom fighter. Then Sharon Nicasso. Not afraid.
Sharon Nicasio.
Yes. Not afraid for highlight. Really deposit that the heritage back with the slip and then WhatsApp the number to 613-4811. That's how we know you get a ticket. $30 ticket. $30.
Sharon, I mean, when I was younger, Sharon took care of me like a mother. I can tell you that. So whenever you're bigger up, yes, she was my neighbor. Yes, Sharon will call me, plait my hair, tell me let's go. We're going to the, yes, man. Sharon needs to take good care. When she's making breakfast in the morning, even though my mom cooked, Sharon will call me for my meal. In the evening supper, call me for my supper. Sharon always made certain I was well taken care of. In fact, I had a lot of people who took care of me. So when I see Sharon will holler my daughter. I have to holler my mother. But big up and thank you for all those early years, Shar. I must say thank you. Right now, I can tell you there's a bottle of Rompopo waiting at that house for me. She knows that if she sells it or give it away, we won't be talking for the rest of 2026. And she keeps threatening me to do that. When I'm ready, I'm going to come for my Rompopo, Sharon.
Yeah.
But I want to take this opportunity to say to teachers, you know, this is a time when they're beginning to put out the scholarship application. You have until ending of June to complete this. It's on the BNQ platform. We created a special platform. So you can go Facebook. We have a platform strictly for BNQ members. Most of the time when we're sharing links, oh, I didn't see the link, oh, I didn't get the link. No, you have one place for members to go when it pertains to the BNQ business. You go there, you see the application form, read the criteria. If you meet it, fill it out. And while you're filling it out, it goes directly to us on the back end. You need to download the recommendation form for your branch leaders to sign you up, attach that, and you send it in.
Easy as
You'll be
that.
contacted once you qualify. You'll be contacted for a face-to-face interview, and if you're the lucky recipient, they will notify you. And that's a partnership that
Just
we
like
have with the government of Belize. They have given us 29 scholarships. So right now we don't have 29 available. We only have four available at this time. By December, we'll have again another 5, and just like that. But we have 29 all at once. Every time
Scholarship
somebody
for what now?
go to university, teachers need to go and do their bachelor's degree. Some wants to do master's degree. When it's the master's, what we do is that we give a grant. The ministry gives you a grant because you know a master's is very expensive. If they want to study outside of Belize, so you don't want to do Galen, you don't want to do UB, but you want to do, let's say, UE, you get a grant for that. One key thing though, you definitely have to come back and give back to the BNQ when you're through with your studies. And we look out to see if our recipients are going to the meetings, attending convention, and another stuff that we introduce is the use of our, I call it a biometric card. You tap on a portal, and all of that comes back into our database. So we capture the participation of the member. There are some people who are our members, we don't see them. They continue to make the contribution, but they're not actively involved. But the minute you see certain benefits, they come forward. But because you're part of the organization, we cannot deny you of certain things. But one of the key things that the council strongly believes in, and some of the members who are very active, that we need to find ways to get our members who are not actively participating to get involved. to be a part of the participation process. And I have to say that.
Easy as that.
Yeah. We have the workshops for July 2. That is in our platform for them to apply right from there. You go in, you fill it out, you go to Christa Ray if you want to do that one. Or we're in Fartineha in the north. In August we have workshops as well.
A lot of workshops, a lot of opportunities. I mean, the BNQ, I mean, look out for their one. That's very good. I hope you guys are paying your dues and things because we need that. And then back to live action here, ladies and gentlemen. What Trevan G. Castillo said, Mama Callis.
I don't know you buy a book for me, Papa. That one, I don't know that 150 US right there.
Well, it don't say, hey, but I want Zell information too.
I don't have none, no boy.
I want Zell information too.
I could use yours.
I could receive, but I can't take out.
Transfer from the Belize one.
I can't transfer. You see, love. All right, well, what I want to do now.
Papa got me.
We want to give away this Vida thing now. Kind of want to hold on to it, right? The stamp and everything. Vida mags. This is gonna be one question. Where is the house located at? Where the BNTU 2-bedroom house and lot located at? Remember, you can move it, you can move the house, but can't move the lot. Just give us the name of the city or the town or the island or whatever right now. Make we know, or I give you this ticket right now to Vida birthday bash tonight at Islands. Why? Trevan say yes, Mama Callis. I got you good. See?
No,
just like that.
We said fair book.
Gone. Right, Alex and Kolo hours PF. Alex and Kolo have to start PF though.
Listen, I can tell you, I already have 5 whole books sold by everybody all across seas in the US. See? 5 entire books sold.
All right. Give us the name of the village, the city, the state, the island, the location where BNTU have this house, right now house and lot, and you earn yourself a ticket to Vida birthday bash tonight. See? Jenny Lopez, she said still grass. Jenny. You serious, Jenny? That's my question to you, Miss Jenny. Are you dead serious that this house is in grass? Is that correct, Miss Carl? You want something?
It's not in grass. And Jenny, when I left me at the corner of your house, yeah, I had to point my book.
Jenny, good try. Try again, Miss Jenny. Try again. You're hot. You're hot. You didn't have a country, I believe. I could give another. The house thing in this country, yeah. All right? You could have north, south, east, and west. You could have been by Melchor, you could have been to Tomal, to north, you could have by Laboga to the south. All right? Let's see who will win this ticket tonight. And the bash is going down tonight. Let me see some of the artists there. Easy, Ali. Reckless. I got to take off this thing and make it leak clear out. Jenny Lopez said, Pomona. Why? You're hot, Jenny, you're hot. You're hot. We have, well, is that correct? We got a winner, you know. We got a winner. But,
I wonder if it win.
We got a winner right there, but we still have to make it roll. We want to make it more interactive, make this thing a roll. This guy is it Pomona?
Definitely not.
Harlem Hughes going to be there, the Lord Byron, Johnny P, DJ RYG, Atri, Why is the sweet pain band 3.0 Vida Max birthday bash?
So the host of astronomers, then astronomers, so
It's
the man
gonna
can
be
tell.
yes,
No germs.
no germs, right? No call no germs, right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tell us where this house there. You earn yourself a ticket.
I can't win.
You can win. You can win. Vida Max and bring your ticket. All right. All right. Is it cotton tree? Somebody said cotton tree.
Yes, it is. It is in Cotton Tree. Is there a missing part? You said village and district.
Yeah, just you're hot. You're hot. I think we got a winner though.
Who is the winner?
Where is okay? And I am a case. She said the first one there, Jones. Mr. Jones, congratulations. You win yourself a ticket. All right. Mr. Jones, you win. You win. Well, I give you another ticket in a minute. I give you another ticket.
Tell Mr. Jones, Mr. Jones, I look for see you the Vida birthday bash tonight, yeah? I look over see you there. And I know the technical boys are way back. Remember the man in the Chekanare? Make sure as they reach that to the door here. Go put on a rhythm for her.
You like it, Chekanare?
What, Mr. Jones?
Mr. Jones love the Chekanare there?
Look here.
Why? Mr. Jones. So that was the first ticket we got. You know, I'm gonna give you one turn. That for birthday bash next week. I'll give you one. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Look at Mr. I'm gonna take Mr. Lopez for. Sorry, what? I got the this for right there. I go do that, see? I go do that. Thank God. Mr. Jones, just come in the studios. We're live right now. We're waiting on you to come and pick up a ticket. We are not if you're serious. We are not if you're serious, Mr. Jones. You know, you're taking about 5 minutes. All right. Kaylee saying, I am playing in the house, Madam President.
I'm with you, Kaylee.
Come on now, stand quick branch. You come and buy how many teachers we got. We don't got most teachers in the country, as we got. And then we educate this country. And then we try to give it back our house now. We can't do that. All right, make do that. Maybe we get through with it. Maybe we get through this. Keep letting go now. All right. No. I can't go germs, so I take it right now.
No germs good for your book too.
Yeah. Why you gonna expand no germs? You could be a two-story too, no? You can put that, you can put something top of that, and put that top of something. What? It's a big one. Ladies and gentlemen, BNQ is here in the house right now, ruffling his house in Cotton Tree. Congratulations, Mr. Jones, for that, for winning this. So we're waiting on Mr. Jones. Hold up the show, Mr. Jones. Please give to someone else. Oh, Mr. Jones. You're not too old. Only your clothes get old, Mr. Jones, man. Only your clothes get to you win something. But the Father's Day is a giving father. So give away this ticket again. All right. Next question.
What you say?
BNTU. How many membership does BNTU have?
Andrea.
Right? How many membership BNTU have? Give me a number. And I want to sell a ticket. How many membership BNTU have? Or you know what? How many membership we have? I'll narrow it down to Dangriga. How many BNTU members we have at Dangriga? Give us a number. And your party go shake my leg if you do that tonight. Hold on, so. We have? No. All right. You could still answer the last question from one of the tongue can already made. It's got a long time. Again, Miss Carlos, I think we have to come out for this live in the next
Why?
8 minutes.
No, man. No need to.
Because the message done gone already. The message just said, all right. Did they say how many members? We got 6 members.
Jump. We're beyond that. We're beyond that.
Way more than 6 members.
Way more than 6
All right, I'm
members.
gonna give you a clue. Is it? I will take my lead guess myself, then I will ask Miss Carlos, right? Being 2 members in Danriga. How many schools you got in Danriga? Not all the teachers are members, right?
No, not all of them are
Not all of
members.
the members. So
Not as yet.
not as yet. So
But before 2027, they'll be a part of this mighty union.
all right. Well, it says I want to say 2,850 countrywide.
Jump that long time.
We pass that, Miss Walisa. Let's just narrow it down for Dangoga. When I say just Dangoga town, right? Now, what I say about, let's say, about 200, no, about 150, what that?
Morris, let me say this. When I became the president of the BNTU, we had like 298 members.
I thought about Dangoga, no?
Yes, Stankwik district. The Stankwik branch.
I thought about Stankwik, man.
Oh, Dangoga.
You add in.
But then we go by branch. We go by branch. So our data will only record you by branch.
Okay, let's go by
branch. So you
branch.
have to be branch.
Okay, branch.
And before, I don't want to give it away, but before I exited, we want to double the number.
Okay, so we're between 5 and 1,000 members right now. 500 to 1,000 members. You can see if they say that?
Safely say that?
All right, so we'll just get the number. Stankwik branch. Jenny Lopez is saying 4,000 Stankwik.
Not Stankwik.
Oh man, this is a tough question.
You send me to my data.
Somebody says 5,000, Jenny said 4,000, Melissa said 2,000 countrywide.
I jumped that, Alicia.
Let's go, Lisa. No.
Let me tell you, let me respond to you this way. We have approximately 6,000 educators in this country. In order for the BNTU to represent them at the table, we have to control 50 plus 1, meaning more than 50% of that. So I jumped your figure a long time. And since becoming president, you have more people coming to join the BNTU. Remember, if you're not a part, you're missing out, especially with all the growth and changes. Yeah. You're missing out.
Wow. No. Pina Colado, she's saying 550 members in Stankwik branch. 550 in Stankwik.
I'll make sure I check the current data right now. When on the platform.
Everything updated every day.
When on the platform.
We got new membership every day, no? New membership every day. At 3.
The wait for you make you buy a ticket at 3.
At 3 say you want to pass.
Favorite, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, you do bad. No, you do bad. Yeah, sir, you do bad.
Bye, don't worry. I got you. I got you at 3. I get passes this morning, so I got you. All right. All right, 550 members, Stankwik branch. We have Jenny again at 5,000. When Jenny get this 5,000, you really like a 5,000? No money, man. Then we have Charles Palacio. Palacio is saying 750 members. Look, the president just remarks because every day somebody join the union, right? You have a question for you. Does you have to be a teacher to be part of the union?
Nope, you don't have to be a teacher to be part of the union, but you have to be working in an educational institution.
We are teachers and coaches, as coaches, football coaches, we are teachers and educators.
Like I said, you have to be working in a institution.
Oh, all right, good. Yeah, just turn around and nobody. I get it. All right. Good day, Mr. Morris. Please inform Miss President that I sent her a message to 6149676. I'm still waiting for a response.
Who is that?
Somebody wants to win something, man.
Let me check right now. Let me go and check.
Edward Nacasso, 650.
Edward, you're not qualified. You're not qualified.
Edward, want to try and play slick, man.
Yeah, you're not and you know why you're not qualified. He cannot qualify. He happens to be one of the persons who work in education that has constructed this platform that we have. So we work with our members, our teachers.
But still get a question wrong.
And that's why he's not qualified. That answer is wrong, but that's why he's not qualified. But he's playing around because he knows that you know me, Edward. You know me.
All right. Edward, man, must out and laugh there. So Edward play tricky, man.
Yes.
Edward. I think we have the Fisher folks at 1 month, so we can't.
Yes.
You know, we just wanted to sensitize the people about this this raffle and where to get the raffle, where to deposit the funds in. You know, 615-4811. This is your number to WhatsApp and Heritage Bank number. It's just if you look below your screen, scrolling is 1080719. 1080719, and you get a chance to win BNTU 2-bedroom fully wired. I have to repeat it, fully wired and plumb. So now I shell it again.
Nope.
Down the water, just turn on the water. While like flip a switch and you're good to go. And this drawing didn't move now.
No man, 27th of June, man. 27th of June.
What now next week, right there, man?
Yeah, next week Saturday. That's the reason why we're out and about today and we're out and about next week Saturday.
This sounds like the rotary where we put the vehicle out there for 5 years.
Our house is already paid for.
Our
land is already paid for. The only thing we're waiting on is for the person to come and fill it out so we can get the title in that individual's name. That's it.
All right.
Listen, man, we don't play that, We don't raffle our new brand vehicle.
Our Wingo?
No, we didn't do our Wingo. We did I forgot what was the brand of the vehicle. We got from Motor Solutions.
All right.
I'm not sure if it's a Terralord. I think it's a Terralord that we raffled. We did a lot. Miss Estella Humphries from Dangria right here won that lot. She can tell you we don't play with our prizes. The Belize Brands partner with National for around December. And everybody who won got their prizes. We don't play around with our prizes. We don't play around. BNTU name is not one that we can afford to stain over prizes. And I can assure you, all we're waiting on is the winner. That's it. So we have our prizes.
All right. Somebody say 800.
Nah. Too high.
Too high. Come down.
Too high.
Somebody says 670. Come down.
Still too high, but we will get there by December. We'll get there.
Come down more.
Because this district has over 700 teachers, so we'll get there.
And every day a teacher decides to say, you know what, me stop fight this battle by myself. Let me join in. Let me join the union. Come down more. 670, come down more. Nearly Arana. 8 grand in.
Yes,
Pina
no problem.
colada. Come down low, you're hot. We want you ready. We want you ready to get no son. So just come down low. Lilo. Pina. 620. Lower. Lower. I could tell you that not 6. You know you're not the 6. So don't put nothing at the 6. I give it, try give it, not put no answers in the 6. Yeah, cause that now work. Right? Alright, you're back. Pina, you put 626, you put 610, you put 600. I don't tell them already, it's not in the 6. Come down low, I might give you wrong ticket. Sienna Gonzalez, you're not listening to the show. It's not in the 6. I try help you. I try help you because 645 is not going to work. Nelly Arana, you're hot. You're hot, Nelly, you're hot. And I am okay, you're hot too. Why? Somebody will miss the guitar. The hottest right now, the pina colada. Yeah, the hottest one. Hottest. Hottest. When I hear it get 480 an hour, hot. It's coming in the hot. I don't think I say what I'm going to sing here. Pina colada, you're close, you're hot. You're hot, girl. You want to give away the ticket. You want to give away some medicine. Latrice Lopez, you know. Oh, you're all hot. You're hot, Latrice. Somebody want to what? When I pay there for teachers?
Friday.
When Friday
Last Friday.
Oh, so
I am happy as that question. I want to.
They got money this weekend. And
Yeah,
next weekend
yeah.
after bro.
Yeah. No, I won't
That's
say
how we
that.
live.
I know I said it, bro, but they'll have money this weekend.
What? Early
Listen,
paycheck?
I learned a lot.
Early paycheck?
Listen, not every, while a lot of teachers are single mothers and have to take care of their children and the classroom and live hand to mouth, you still have a group that budgets in a way that if I'm going to put $200 a month in an account and I will not touch that unless I've found a number of teachers who are disciplined.
Yeah,
so some of us don't. Some of us think that every teacher lives like that, but no, there's this hand to mouth thing, and I don't look down on the teachers who are living that way, because in most of these schools they don't support them with the resources, and a lot of our teachers have an associate's degree, and you're making like $1,700 to $1,800 a month, maybe the most like 19, and when you look at Social Security coming out of that, what do you take home? Then you have rent. Then you have the BNQ dues to pay. Then you have what the management is asking you to contribute.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Then you have all those resources that you need to provide for the classroom. And if your child is in high school and has additional needs, then some have babysitters. Look at $1,900 to $1,800 or 17. But it's not sufficient. That's why I don't look down on them, nor do I say anything negative about them, because each situation is different.
Yeah.
But some
they
of my
make it do.
Yes, they need to feel good. So what you find them doing? Some of them say, "Oh, to hell with this, I'll invest in myself." So they'll get their nails and they'll get their hair because that makes them feel good, and I respect that.
Yeah.
So if anybody's going to talk about my teachers and how they live with hand to mouth, you're going to start a quarrel.
Are you in touch with?
No, I understand what they're going through.
You're in touch with society.
And like I said, many of them are single mothers.
Wow.
What?
All right.
My co-host Rich.
Beloba. No, the only bite there. The only girl from the boogie.
Nagwen.
I know.
Boy, Jenny Lopez have this thing, man. Jenny Lopez is the winner.
I don't see her already, man, but I just like see how she plays.
Somebody give Jenny this statistics here. And this is not a number way easy to guess. I had to tell you that.
But
Somebody give this to
I don't
Jenny
think
Lopez.
they give her, you know why? I don't think.
I should have played him in the mind.
Yeah. Should have guessed. Which is congratulations, Jenny Lopez.
Should have done him in the mind more.
But engage. So I forgive her that. All right, so Jenny, you go to Villa birthday bash later on. Say ticket, yeah. So you could do what you do, right? Do what you do. Congratulations. Somebody, but she did try, so you can't think like that. Jenny Lopez, she you
Of a mixed basic win.
we got 4K camera, so as soon as
She
when
sits
sit down,
in.
camera come in.
It was just.
Yes, 4K. Yeah.
Good. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we got 4K.
Listen, life already, you know. Life are well set. Look here. You know, miss nothing when you do diver. Once you want to catch up, tune in. When you go to a party, they capture things you know to capture.
Well, it's a public place.
Correct.
It's public. All right, so we have about 6 more minutes left. We come at prime time. Miss Gwen Nunes, Dr. Gwen Nunes Gonzalez, Chanel, Justin Gonzalez, beautiful wife. Yeah, she got a name. I get her where I want her. So she can't beat me for the show. You can't beat me for the show. Hey, the facts are the facts. I'm just quoting the facts. True for us, Miss Gwen. True.
What the next question?
I can zoom in more than.
Greetings, everybody. Greetings, and I hope that you got your ticket. And I want to thank all those, even way out of America, who have been
supporting
our cause, because this is the best arranged deal you'll ever get. A fully loaded house for only 30 Belize dollars, 15 US. Can't beat that.
Are you guys taking Quetzal as well or
No,
no?
we're not taking Quetzal. No. Neither Naira.
Yeah.
But some people are asking me, where's that country then?
Yes, this raffle has revealed that we need to do some more work as it pertains to the geography of Belize. I'm telling you.
So don't confuse this country and coconut.
There's a big difference.
Yes,
Coconut is the Belize
one day
district.
west, one day north.
You know, back in the days, we used to learn about these villages and where they're located. I will be a part of your social studies test.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, that's in the Cairo district, right?
Yes, it's in the Cairo district. It's like 10 to 15 minutes away from Domopan.
Yeah.
And I say 10 to 15, it depends on what you're a part of, right? What you're driving in, sorry. If you're on a little busito, like 15 minutes. If you're in a one ride, it's going to be like 10. Based on your speed as well, because it can be more.
I have no regards for life in 5 minutes.
Which we don't want people. We want people.
Oh, no, we don't want that.
It's a peaceful community.
Very peaceful.
The people in Cotton Tree, since I was stationed in that area, they're loving,
Very loving.
very cooperative people, and they always want the best for their neighbors. They're still neighborly, which is a good thing.
And that's missing, you know.
So we're losing.
That's missing. I'm telling you that neighborly love and support. Okay. No problem.
We're going international. But we have a few more tickets, and we want that by 27th of June we're sold out, and we don't want you to regret. If I may only, we don't want if I may only $15 US, $30 Belize, we double up the side. So make sure to get your tickets.
It's a cute house, so you got veranda. See, you got veranda
Yes.
for it too.
Yes, it does. One of the things I love, no, Maurice, the inside of the house is properly cased in,
Wow.
right? When we first got the quote, we were excited, and then a contractor said to me, President, you need to go and see. You need to go and see because they will quote you one thing, and what they're quoting is not what you're expecting.
Yeah.
And so when I went to check to see if what they're quoting is what we're expecting, I found that it's not like that at all. So I had to say, no man, the BNP don't advertise, they have this and this also have that. You need to add that. That's an additional cost. No man, the BNP is not going to say this and no. So we have to ensure that what we are selling to you is what you're getting. You're getting your 2 bedroom. And that veranda is not even a part of the square footage because originally with the court they had the veranda part of the square footage. Yes, the 24, but no. So what we did, we put the extra, put the veranda completely separate. Let them get their 20 by 24.
Correct.
And then put the veranda separate.
Correct.
So
and it's so beautiful.
yes, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful house. I'll share with you. I don't know if you can show it. Did I share it to you what the inside looks like? That you're completing, you're putting, certain touches and on it. For my members, like I said, when they win, we make arrangements for it to be delivered wherever they want it to be delivered. And after that, it's just signing over the paper and it's theirs because you don't have to keep the house on the land. So right now, it is still with the manufacturer. We have not moved anything, done anything there,
Okay.
any at all. So we're waiting for that winner to be declared next week, Saturday, and then they will tell us what they want. Because a lot of them, especially some of them from here, from Danriga, some of them are saying, look, I'll buy a ticket for you, but I know 1 hour was a cotton tree.
I want it for Milan.
I want for Melania, Danriga.
Yes, some.
Yeah, I like that. I like the change.
Yes.
You don't want some people want to live that cotton tree. And
No.
cotton tree is nice and peaceful, but
Yes.
I don't want to. Like me, I don't think I would survive in cotton tree. No way.
Because
No
you're
time.
because
No,
you're
man, it's a nice place.
No,
because
the
home.
the
Same
city
thing people from Cotton Tree would say. I don't think I'm gonna survive because you have established yourself
but
somewhere. But it's a nice place. It's a peaceful
the sea no
community.
there for me. The sea.
You want to
Oh,
see.
I
I
understand.
need
That
to
I
see.
understand. That I
And
understand.
we can't do Euromade. So I can't live there. That's out of the picture.
Ah.
But some people would adapt. I can't adapt. I'm
Mhm.
not force myself to adapt at that.
Yeah, and then I'm encouraging our teachers. If always support this raffle, we are sold out.
One ticket.
One ticket, we were sold out. And if you don't believe in buying raffle, we respect that. We are gladly welcome the $30. Donate the $30. This is about the union. And you don't have to be a member of the union to purchase your ticket. No.
Yeah.
Anybody can purchase this ticket because I've been asked that question. And I said, no, you don't have to be a member of the union. You can call me and buy your ticket. So I want to thank all those again who have been supporting. So right now we want you to give us a holla. We will gladly write your name and your address. We are completed payment.
Yeah, we completed that.
Yes,
So I'm
and-
just putting names down and from
Yes,
there
that no problem. What your number for call again is?
It right there for the screen. See that?
Mhm.
613-4811.
Mhm.
613-4811. Then they just send their deposit and we go from there.
Correct.
Someone from Belize is asking where can they get tickets in Belize?
Okay, in Belize City, the team is by Brody's, Albert Street. They're also by Publix. All right, so if you go to those 2 locations, you will find the Belize district branch out there. They're in their green. You can't miss the green.
Green
You can't
machine.
miss the green. We're out there. And one of the things I found out is that Belize City has, well, they are almost finished with their tickets, that I can tell you. They have gone to some smaller location. A few persons, they've gone to some smaller locations. So if you go, if you would take the time to say go by Mirabs, you will find persons there in their green as well.
Correct.
If you come around Simon Kwan, you should see Belize City is taking over the city right
That's
now.
right.
And
So,
they, up to yesterday, they didn't have a lot of books,
mhm.
Yeah.
Jenny Lopez says she got $30.
I know, Jen, I reckon you, man. I don't tell her a long time.
Mhm.
You think I don't know who to talk to then, Jen.
She don't when she beat that ticket now instead of spending. The $30, the Vita. Buy one ticket, smart move.
Smart move.
Smart move. Right?
Jen, I
I
know
still
even
have a
without
few
winning this ticket,
sheets
you would
there.
have supported us.
Yeah.
That's like my little sister right there.
And go still give me a holla. I still got maybe about 4.
You still got 4?
4 or 5.
I don't know.
After my third book.
I'm
So 621-4097, that's my number. So I still got
Listen.
and when I run out, because you are not run out,
Yes,
I know
man.
we forget for you. Yes.
But I believe everybody will win.
Yes. And so everybody will win
Yes,
because
yes, support
everybody
and win. Support and win. Once
Yes.
support your winner.
Support the cause.
Yes.
Everybody
yes.
will win. Everybody will win.
Yeah.
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 And some people they make a write their name, and then make a fine name for collect. We work with that too.
And like I said, I sold most of my books. I sell whole books, I'll be honest with you. Maybe about 2 with single tickets. But all my books, and I'm going to say definitely more than 35.
Wow.
All my books. Whole book, whole book, whole book.
I don't get any levels.
Whole book, loan whole book.
I don't get any levels.
Well,
No, I
very
thank those
good.
persons. I
But
know
that
these
is
are
very
people
good.
have taught, man. Nine of that great.
So who the yarn up the back there in this?
Whether they're in
Somebody the yarn up back there.
whether they're in
Sorry,
Belize, whether they're in the US, they're
Harry
supporting,
ain't
they're
lucky
supporting.
that don't-
So I have to give them thanks.
But shout out go free.
That is describing them.
Describe,
So-
forget that you describe though. We have people want book there and then describe the sleep. I don't know what this BA2 is coming to these days.
I'm a volunteer boy. I'm a volunteer. That's my friend.
So I love it, man. I love
Hey,
it.
that's
So
my
who else you got? Who else you got?
that's my sister. That's my sister from Punta Gorda, who now resigned in Reno.
Way out of Reno.
Mao.
Awesome, man.
Maura
They do a
Lopez.
lot of goodness to Reno. They feed the homeless.
Yes.
They house the homeless. They clothe the homeless.
Yeah.
Fix up the less fortunate. We're not gonna Reno and village. I tell you, they not to no. They are complaining.
Alegi, Reno.
You know what?
Yes, man.
Reno,
If,
Nevada.
if you follow this young lady and she family, you are overeaten.
Kato.
No, only
Red
that.
Jenny.
Never where you live.
Yes, I never
Jenny?
said.
No.
Your scribe.
Oh, supposed to know.
Yo, la daggy la po.
Maurice was not a Corlero.
Jenny, you want? You want, Jenny?
Anybody else today who you want to get?
Well,
Not a message.
Some go there, some text me.
okay. Well, guys, I think every good thing must come.
To an end. We
Yes,
appreciate
yes.
that. Again, I'm
Well,
encouraging the
catch me,
teachers.
This BA2
But we
gets me
appreciate
alive.
it. No. You know why that happened, right?
But we love the teachers. We love them. So I have no choice.
Yes.
I have no choice.
Yes.
Right? Thanks to Michael. He's the boss.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Thanks to Michael was one phone call and dropped everything.
I-
He was the boss.
We want
Correct.
for reaching effect, right?
Mhm.
So the whole plan is plan was to create a shift.
Correct.
And thanks.
Thank
Because
you.
I'm telling you, picking up the phone, making calls, getting commitments, I've been doing it from morning. So and people are committing, buying, yes. You know, that's important. That's important.
Correct. Please take this ticket to Jenny.
Yes, I'll stop by
Jenny,
her.
see? I always say I take on the ticket. See that per life. See there?
And they know,
See there?
and they know what ceremony.
You go touch it to me,
Yes,
please.
not a touch it.
All right,
That's
God
good.
bless.
Yes,
Bless.
Chairman. Hey, I want to shout out to the Fisher folks.
Yes, I'm going over there with a few.
I tell you, I was with them for 2 days. And man, it blew my mind. All the awesome and wonderful things women in fisheries are doing in this country.
Yes.
You know, I moderated the forum, MC, and then I saw some weekend stuff, but that was Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, we went to Kikaka, and then we were hosted by the Fisherwoman of the Year for 2020, Miss Maria, and her family. So I saw the catch crab and the stone crab. They're not the regular ratty way we got there. Then like some high level crab.
Yeah, see, in a traps. That's it.
Yes, in a traps, yes. And then that me awesome. And the whole science.
They'll be joining.
Me never know. I don't know if you know. I mean, don't know if the only that crab. They grow back the
Shell,
Harry. What you call Harry? The claw.
the claw.
You never know that. The stone crab. Yes, it grows back.
So we're gonna when they broke it.
They broke it off. They look on the size. They're very
Oh, okay.
look on the size, so the big one. And then if they don't block off one, they don't block off the next one.
Because the one you need to survive.
Survive. Unless if it's big, we find I see one big one, you never got no crab, but you see the grow. And then the claw they grow, see the leaf shoot. I'm shocked now.
Very
I'm
interesting.
learning something
Me
new
never
today.
know that.
That's a
So I don't know if that
classroom.
I
happened.
am learning something.
So I don't know if that
today.
happened to rat, because we meet the whole rat, we not do.
We're not gonna rapid time to recover like that.
Yes,
We want everything. We don't make him recover for what do you
Yes.
say? What do you say?
Mhm.
What Gawalas?
Is that- So today,
He don't recover for we at all.
yes, and we have so many in Dangria as well, fisher folk. So today, if you have time, go by Riverside and see where they got up. When I just connect with the sisters that I only see them, but
I
see them from a different
saw
like
one
in
of
terms of the fishing.
one of my former student Lara being recognized. Man,
They're good.
so
Yeah, I'm going out there in a few,
good.
but I have a hold up the cool down right now.
Mm.
You know why?
So you got rati?
No,
You don't want fish?
I eat the traditional way. I don't do fully loaded. No, it's coconut milk. You know, we got what I say oregano,
That's right.
okra.
Mm.
You know,
That's okra.
Mm.
no udara is a jack. You know,
Mm. Udara.
turn and right. You know,
Yeah.
Turn and green.
turn and green. Sorry, right. So I have to make sure that
Another specialized shapes.
make sure it's cool down before I go and dismantle it. So it's got gentlemen. So I'll give the last word because my belly don't want to try to turn up.
Me
Right?
too.
But I have to go. The cool down right now is windy outside.
Mhm.
So this product is taking its own time cooling down, waiting for me to bless it. You know. So with that said, being to support this 2 bedroom house and lot then because then lot of another house. And if you got lot, we will bring it here and then bring it down to you. Right? It's only $30, 15
US.
US and
The us.
right now it's 11.25 pesos, not 11 Lempiria per
Mm.
US. So if you get to 11, turn it to the dollar or that, then you add that 30 times, you get
Mhm.
$30. So if you have a stretch, right?
Yeah.
You have
For
to
tower
stretch it.
winning.
Yeah,
Mhm.
for tower winning, right?
Mhm.
So support it
Lion
because,
Rabo.
and it's a
Mhm.
greenhouse with that with
Yes,
Yes,
that's for
yes,
sure.
yes.
That's right.
green machine,
Yes.
Mhm.
right?
Green
So,
means change.
chain, right? And that is my favorite.
Prosperity.
Prosperity.
It's my favorite color,
Money.
right?
Sensu dinero.
No joke though.
Papa.
It's my favorite
That's
color.
my favorite color as
Yeah,
well.
it's my favorite color.
My favorite color yellow. Tawuni
So-
color the green.
All right. So again, I'll have these ladies do the final word. So kind of not convince you. We're not need to convince somebody. It's an easy science. This is an easy science and maths put together. Because
Mhm.
science, you use the science to move the house to your lap.
Mm-hmm.
And then the maths to pay for the house.
Correct.
Right? So we're using maths and science here.
And how do you have to base turn out?
Right? We're using geography. Right there. So everything is adding up. This is a
Yeah.
school. This is a
Yeah.
classroom. Well, not family, right? The friend is to make Dr. Wayne and this the Scarlet right here.
Yeah.
Right? So on
You know that upstairs school, no man.
Heritage Bank 108807119 and WhatsApp it, not just on by make sure to send a receipt to 613-4811 make the metro on a pay fee. Right?
Mhm. Correct.
So that is our message for this morning. Share it live. Make sure it's shared. Right? Dr. Gwen.
Yes. I'll have the president, have the finance sector that she run things, and does support staff. But I want to encourage all the teachers and our families and our families. So we got American families and then we got Belizean families. So please support. You can pull your money together as a family, brother, sister, cousin, and buy one ticket if things kind of dread. We understand that. But teachers, we need to support our own. And like we said, some of you don't believe in raffles, and we respect that. So your contribution
Yes.
is welcome. So you don't want to buy the raffle, give it a contribution because, and you know when we go to our conventions are not the same anymore. Last year and this year, I mean, when you come, right? We get with goodies, we get with food, we get where we need on time, but it takes money. So we have to make sure that for our activities to continue to find ways to generate funds, and our raffle is only one. So we need to sold out. Every ticket must have a name. So we need to sold out, and it depends on us. So let's put our energies together to make a difference. If you can only buy one ticket, you're not gonna buy the whole book. But if you buy the whole book, we love that too. So buy one, we love it. Buy two, shit, we love it. Whatever you can. So Sarah May, God bless, and again, I encourage you to go by the riverside and support our fisher folks.
Doing it right?
I definitely want to again say thank you for those of you who have bought a ticket already. Those of you who are considering getting a ticket, in every single district, the BNTU executives, they have access to these raffle books. But just so you know, for today, Corozal Rural Branch is in Central Park in Corozal. Corozal Town Branch is at Checktamal Park in Corozal. Orange Walk Branch is in front of the Town Hall. In Belize City, you have Publix and Brody's and some other stores that they are. In San Ignacio, we're talking about Market Square. In Belmopan, they'll be at the gazebo and the whole Market Square area selling. In Benke, Centennial Park. In Punta Gorda, Central Park. And also by Donna Salon in Indianville. All right, so these are the locations where you can find tickets. Now, you can also go to DigiWallet. You can also go to DigiWallet and get your ticket from DigiWallet. And in Belmopan, we have Motor Solution, who has, from since we started doing raffles, they have always assisted with sales.
Okay.
All right, so they have gotten some books from us for this, and they're also selling on our behalf. If you and one area I'm missing, the Belize City headquarters
Okay.
behind Channel 5 on Coney Drive, you can't miss that big neon green building with black. In fact, I should say Kelly Green because I mean neon. The Kelly Green and black, you can't miss that building. It is loud and stands for exactly what it represents.
BNTU.
Exactly. BNTU. Powerful. So you can get your tickets from there. Today was for us to sensitize Belizeans at home and abroad that the raffle is on and that you're going to get your prize after the drawing. There's no problem with that. We got to do the paperwork with you, and you tell us where you want the house to go, and you get that. This is no gimmick. We mean business. You can definitely support and win. I know that you can. And it's not just about the house and lot. It's about supporting and education when you buy a ticket. And for the record, not only teachers are a part of the BNTU, the support staff, they are part of the BNTU. So the secretaries, the bursars, the security, the cooks, all right, the wardens, they are all a part of the BNTU. So once you work, let me repeat, in an educational institution, you can join the Belize National Teachers Union.
The Green Machine.
The Green Machine.
Green Machine.
Thank you, Tanaka.
Right.
God will continue to bless you for us, Brother Daifa.
Yes.
Amen.
Thank you too. Thank you for assisting with the international reach.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Small part.
Yes. God bless. It's a big part.
Ayo.
Ayo.